Hello, this is my first episode that I'm going to upload onto YouTube, so please leave a like at the bottom. I'm starting up a new world, survival, no cheats, no bonus chests, none of that. Structure's on. I know I'm normally playing in creative mode, so I have it turned to peaceful, so I will change that, and I will turn it to normal difficulty. And yeah, so we'll let the world build. I do not have the greatest frame rate in the world when I'm not recording, but when I'm recording, I don't know how my frame rate is going to be, so excuse that, please. And my episodes are going to be roughly 15 to 30 minutes, I hope. And my YouTube channel is called K49000. In fact, let me check that one. So, yeah. My YouTube channel is called K49000, and please subscribe. This is my first video I put on YouTube, so there will not be the best commentary in the world. So please excuse that too. I do not have a microphone. I do have one, but I don't know where it is currently. So I'm going to use my speakers. So there may be other outside sounds that you may be hearing. Yay! The world has started. Where am I? Where am I? Please don't be in the jungle. Please don't be in the jungle. Please don't be in the jungle. Where am I? Someone tell me. Okay, guys, let's just go find a tree in the void for them to break. Yeah. Else. I'm falling into the void. Thank you. I'm no longer in the void, and it does not look like a jungle. Yay. Ooh. There we go. It looks like we're in a birch forest. No, we're just in a normal forest. Let's get a tree here. Oh yeah. Right, no, changing the difficulty. Options. Difficulty. Music and sound. Turn up the sound. Music. Oh god. Wow. Give me my wood, please. I would like my wood, thank you very much. Help me. And leave anything you want to know or you want me to do in the comment section below. So, is Minecraft gonna crash? Please don't. I want my wood. Ah! I'm stuck! I will be right back. Or never mind. Fixed it. I didn't have to leave the game. Oh. Give me my wood! I want my wood, please. Yeah! I'm now back at my birch tree that I chopped down. I will be right back this time. So I'm back, I think. Yep, I'm back. I'm waiting for the world to load again. While we do that, I've got to say something. So I'm not be putting up episodes every day like a lot of other people do because, well, I might do it through the summer that way, but most of the time I won't be putting up episodes every day. It's maybe whenever I have time, but maybe one a day, or maybe one a week, maybe one every other day. There may be even weeks without episodes because I go on vacation a lot. Just letting you know so you don't get all upset that I'm not doing episodes. My computer is not happy today. There we go. Give me some wood! I'm disappointed. I didn't get my wood. The game stole my wood from me. Ah! Whoa. Here. Let me pause the recording for a second and I will be right back. So my Minecraft isn't happy. I tried trying to get some wood off camera, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna restart my computer. I'm probably gonna put this episode up just just to let you guys know. And yeah. So goodbye. I really would like you to subscribe. Peace out, guys.